Earth is the only planet known to harbor life. Essential substances like air, water, and land support life on Earth. The planet boasts several million species of life, living in habitats ranging from the bottom of the deepest ocean to a few miles into the atmosphere. However, our Earth is headed towards danger. Let's speak on some of the imminent problems and their possible solutions. It is critical to protect the environment that all life, including us, depend on. Global warming, the gradual heating of Earth's surface, oceans, and atmosphere, is one of the many issues planet Earth is facing. It is caused by human activity, primarily the burning of fossil fuels that pump carbon dioxide, methane, and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Already, global warming is having a measurable effect on the planet. Why is this happening to Mother Earth? Let's go deeper and uncover the source that, as one might say, fuels our planet's gradual heating. What is a greenhouse gas? A greenhouse gas is a gas that absorbs and emits radiant energy in the thermal infrared range, causing the greenhouse effect, a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. Greenhouse gases are made up of water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. Although some of these gases come from natural emissions, the greatest producers of GHG are human activities. These activities commonly consist of burning fossil fuels for electricity, heat, and transportation, as well as agriculture and cement production. Let's go more in depth to fully understand the science behind greenhouse gases. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space and the rest is absorbed by greenhouse gases. These gases then radiate this heat. The more of these gases, the more absorption of heat, warming the Earth. This trapping of heat results in climate change, further leading to melting glaciers, migration of species, flooding, higher ocean temperatures, health defects, and more destructive hurricanes. Because of human-driven increased levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, there is more CO2 dissolving into the ocean. The ocean's average pH is now around 8.1, which is basic or alkaline, but as the ocean continues to absorb more CO2, the pH decreases and the ocean becomes more acidic. Ocean acidification reduces the amount of carbonate in seawater. Reduction in carbonate is a problem because it makes it harder for marine organisms to form their shells and skeletons. Calcium carbonate is one of the building blocks for shell structure. In addition, the existing shells of marine animals may begin to dissolve. More than 1 billion people eat marine animals, and therefore this problem affects both the ability to feed people globally and the global economy. In Alaska, where half of American seafood comes from, this ocean acidification endangers 70,000 fishing jobs. And on the other side of North America, the Gulf of Mexico is particularly plagued by ocean acidification as the nutrient runoff combines with the carbon pollution in the atmosphere to increase acidity to unexpected levels. This will affect food chains everywhere. The greenhouse effect and ocean acidification are a menace to our ecosystems and to all living in them. Preventative measures need to be taken to save our environment. Taking steps to use less electricity, especially when it comes from burning coal or gas, can greatly lessen the amount of greenhouse gases. About 1/5 of U.S. greenhouse gas emissions come from industry. To limit ocean acidification, we need to burn less fossil fuels. As we still need energy, we will need to rely on alternatives to fossil fuels, which include wind energy, water energy, nuclear energy, and solar power. Industries such as oyster hatcheries can follow reduction protocols. Individuals can reduce their carbon footprint by using organic materials to garden, reducing travel by car, reusing, recycling, and giving up meat. Studies have proven that if the average person did not drive for a year, it would save about 2.6 tons of carbon dioxide. While most cannot give up driving totally, you can ride a bike for short trips, carpool, maintain your vehicle properly, and use cruise control. The production of meat uses a lot of resources, and cows emit a lot of methane, another greenhouse gas. Beef gives off more than 6 pounds of carbon dioxide per serving. Also, don't waste food. Americans waste more than 40% of the food they buy. Use leftovers, take stock before buying, and use reusable plates. Mother Earth is the planet we live on. It is important to take proper care of her. By taking steps to lessen our carbon footprint, we can put a stop to crises such as global warming and ocean acidification.